Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate audio tracks in CapCut PC. So if you need to layer sound effects, loop music, or simply use an audio clip in your CapCut PC project, duplicating audio track is one of the most essential tricks for any video editor. And here I'm going to show you the 3 fastest way to clone your audio clip. So the first one is the keyboard shortcut. This is the fastest one. So you can just select the audio tracks in here and then press on Ctrl plus C on your keyboard. And after that, you can just press on Ctrl plus V. And just like that, the audio will be duplicated. And the second options or the second steps here, the second ways is the drag and drop method. You can just hold or click on the audio track and then hold the alt on your Windows keyboard while dragging the clip just like this. So it's also easy. And the third way is the right click method. This is the traditional way to copy and paste. You can just right click on the audio, click on copy and paste it to the position that you want. So that's all for me. That's how you can duplicate audio tracks in CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.